Right, in this lesson we are going to learn how to declare variables in Delphi and how to assign values to them. And then don't type variables there.
Save as variables.
Save it as variables. Save this file as variables on the desktop. Then the extension, when you save this notepad, the extension, save it as PAS file.
.pis.
Yeah, .pis. Save it. Right. First, I'll show you the structure of a Unity file. Bye-bye. Let me just increase my font a bit so that you can see from where you are sitting. That's right. In a Delphi, you have got a Unity file. Yes, let's write this Unity. We give it a name, variables. And then go to the end the Unity. When you end the Unity, you put a full stop. Open a space, because everything we are going to do in the Unity, it will be inside here. It's important to do this. And inside here, we've got some sections, like paragraphs. First section is interface. You must know this. And then the next one is the uses. And then the next one is the var. And then implementation. I'll explain each part. Right. The uses. Tell me if I'm too fast. Okay. Under the uses, we are going to list the units which has got some functions and procedures we need.
Okay.
That's fine. Like for example, we are going to use Windows. It's a unit from Delphi. We are going to use another controls. It's a unit we have. Fine. And then we are going to use another unit called sys utils. And those three units we are going to use. You can ask me, well, how do I know? It's because I've been working with Delphi for a long time. So I got to know these units. When we are actually working with Delphi, we are going to see these units in the code that they have. Right. Then the var, this section here, it is going to have variables. Let us put a comment there. Okay. Okay. So the variables that we put under var are global. Global means any procedure down here can access them. You will understand it when we do it practically. But just keep that sentence. And then the implementation. Let's put a comment here for the implementation. Right, in this section, procedures declared above are implemented below. I'm going to show you an example. Let's go to uses here and let's create a type. And now this type, let's give it a name.
So once again, I've done everything now.
Right, let's go to the type now. Let's give it an name. T, say variables. This is the name of the type. Okay, you put an equals now. Class T object. Why are we doing a type? Because when you are working in Delphi from the word code, you'll always be doing code inside a class.
Okay.
So I want you to see how we are creating it. So this is the name of the class. This class inherits from T object. All classes in Delphi inherit from their ancestor T object. Now inside type, we've got sections, private, public. You can leave a space there, like this. T variables, private, public. Now we are going to, I will explain what is private in a type, what is public in a type. Now private means everything we are going to put here under private is going to be closed from outside. Will not be accessible from outside. In public, everything you put in public will be accessed from outside. But I was explaining the sections of a type. This is the name of the type, and this is the access level. What means is what I put here is private. What I put here is public. What is private can only be accessed by anything that is a member of the class.